Hello and welcome to Gold Classes. In today's session, I am standing here with a group of students. So, guys, are you all happy to join this conversation?
Yeah, I am happy.
Yeah, okay. So, this is going to be an interesting conversation, and this is a random conversation we have started. So, here at Gold Classes, we have the only motive to speak English and to be a better speaker. Okay, so everyone is joining me on a daily basis in order to be a good speaker. I want to talk to some of the students. They are standing here. And first of all, I want to talk to you, Sejal. Please tell me, how are you feeling to join this conversation?
Yeah, sure, sir. I am feeling better to join this session.
Yeah. Do you think English is important for you to speak and to learn? And I know I know most of the students are unable to speak and they have difficulty while speaking. Do you think you can speak English, and do you think it's important for that? You should go for that.
Yeah, sure, sir. I think it is very important for all of us.
Yeah.
Uh, it is very necessary
Yeah.
to us.
Yeah, right. Okay, Sejal, one more question I want to know about you. Why do you think this language is important for us to learn? Actually, most of the people are grappling with this kind of problem that they have communication issue. They are not good at speaking. So, do you think after joining this journey, you can be a good speaker? Are you willing to speak something?
Yeah, sure, sir. It's a nice question for me.
Yeah.
I am happy to talk about it. I can say it is a global language.
Yeah. Right.
I want to be a good speaker.
Yeah, sure. So I hope you will be a good speaker because you are making efforts on a daily basis. So the next speaker joining me now is Rinku. So Rinku, I want to talk to you a little bit, So on this trip, actually, everyone has to speak something. That is what I have decided.
All right, sir. First and foremost, before I begin, I would like to say I am extremely happy to be here, and I am delighted to be a part of this conversation.
Right.
Thanks a lot, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak here. I am glad to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Rinku Yadav.
Yeah.
Basically, I am from Jaunpur. I mean to say I am born and brought up in Jaunpur.
Okay, Rinku, one question I have for you. You have joined this institute, Gold Institute of English Language. Guys, I have a question for Rinku, I want to know about the city you are in. Actually, we operate in the city of Jaunpur, and it is a district in UP, Uttar Pradesh. So can you tell me something about your city where you are born and brought up? Go ahead and talk to me a little bit about
All right,
that.
sir, it's a good question for me. When it comes to Jaunpur city, the first thing that comes to my mind is it's a fine city. It's a especially known as educational hub.
Yeah, right.
I mean to say we have many tourist locations like Sai Kila, Atala Masjid, and Ashram of Maharishi Jamdagni,
Right.
as well as it's very near to the city of Kashi.
Yeah. So the city of Holy Kasi, I know everybody talks about that. So it is very near to that. We
Yes.
can go there as well.
Yes.
And okay, thank you so much, Rinku, for being a part of this tiny conversation we are having today. And I have some more speakers. They are joining us and they are willing to speak something. Hey guys, joining me now. We have some more speakers. So I have Khushi joining me now. Khushi, please come forward and speak something. What do you want to say? Firstly, let my audience know who you are. It's your introduction. Go ahead for that.
First of all, good morning everyone. I
Yeah.
am Khushi. I belong to Jaunpur.
Khushi, I have a question I wanna know. Actually, I think the good thing is that you have taken a good decision in your life and you are learning English with us. I know it's not impossible if you work on that and you go for that, on a daily basis. If you are making efforts on a daily basis, it will be possible very soon. So the question I have, in order to test your communication skills, I wanna know about a city you might have heard the name of, that is Varanasi. So Varanasi, can you tell me something about that? Face the camera and speak to the audience of mine. Yeah.
All right, sir. This is a very good question for me. Varanasi is a very famous city
Yeah, right.
of India.
Right.
This is a very popular place
Yeah.
in India.
Yeah. So do you think it is also known as a temple city?
Yeah, everybody notice this is a temple city.
You mean to say it has many temples, you know. So Varanasi is a name, you know. I think Varuna and Asi. So there is, I think, a name related to that. The name of the rivers have, I think, connection with the name of the city. Okay, what is more special there in that city? Do you know any? Have you heard the name of any university over there? What
Yeah.
is the name of that university that is located in Varanasi?
BHU,
Yeah. So what's the full name of BHU?
Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya.
Yeah, okay. So it's a very famous and I
Yes,
think
sir.
good university. Everybody knows about that, and most of the students have their dream to be a part of that big university. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have more speakers. So at last, in the conclusion, do you want to add something?
That's all. Thanks for listening for me. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, we have more speakers. I have Kajal joining me now. Kajal, please come forward, and I have some questions for you. I want to know what's your name. Actually, for my listeners, I want to know your introduction part. Please tell them who you are and why are you here. What's the reason behind joining this trip? Actually,
Very firstly, before I begin, I would like to say it's my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, I'm Kajal. Basically, I'm from Jaunpur itself.
yeah, Kajal. What's the reason you are here? What do you want to actually? Actually, you must be here with a reason, with a purpose. What's the reason behind coming here?
I'm here to learn English because I'm not good at speaking. But after joining this class, I'm getting better day by day.
Okay, so Kajal, I have a question. I want to talk to you a little bit about this institute. Please share your experience with us because this video is reaching a large number of students and they are watching it and they must know something about us, about this institute. Please tell us a little bit about this institute gold classes.
Yeah, all right, sir. It is a good question for me. I'm happy to talk about Gold classes. It is very unique platform for learning English,
Yeah.
and it is good place.
Yeah, you mean to say it's fine. And can you tell me your story when you came here for the first time in the beginning? What was your thinking pattern, and do you think are you changing yourself? Do you think you are changing yourself to be a better speaker? What was the scene in the beginning? Go back a little bit back in the days and speak something.
All right, sir. When I when I came here for the first time, I was noticed I was weak in English.
Yeah.
But after joining this class, I'm getting better day by day, and that's all.
Okay, so coming to the conclusion part of our conversation, can I talk to you a little bit? Can you share with us what do you want to add in the conclusion?
Yes, sure, sir. Last but not the least, I would say I'm thankful to you, sir, for giving me this chance, and I'm grateful to all of you for paying attention. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So, by the way, what's your name?
My name is Janvi Sonkar. I belong to Jaunpur.
Yeah. So, Janvi, do you think English is important?
Yes, sir. Sir, English is a very important.
Okay. So, can you tell me something about actually, it's your introduction. Tell me something more about you, who you are, and why do you want to learn English? What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is a kabaddi.
Yeah, okay. So most of the time I have seen girls played this game as well. So we should always play games to stay healthy, to stay fit. Okay. And have you read any book in your life apart from your course books, your study books? Have you read any book? Please tell me the name of a book that you have read recently.
This is Poor Dad and Rich Dad.
We have one more speaker and I want to know who you are. Please tell me what's your name.
My name is Anmol Yadav.
Anmol, what about your qualification? What's your studies about actually?
I am pursuing my graduation BSc Bachelor of Science.
Yeah, okay. So, Anmol, do you think English is important for us?
Yes, sure, sir. It's very important for us.
Okay. And after joining this institute, are you feeling better? Are you getting something? Do you
Yes,
think
sir.
you are getting better?
Yes, sure, sir. I am getting better day by day.
Okay, sure. So, we have one more speaker. I cannot leave him behind. Please come forward. So, I have Harshit. Harshit, please give your introduction in front of the audience.
My name is Harshit Gupta. I am from Jaunpur.
Reaching to the final point, end point of this conversation, I have one more speaker. He is Satyam. Satyam, please tell us something. I have a question. I want you to speak something about entrepreneurship and business. Do you think anything? But go for that after your introduction. Tell them all who you are and talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, sure, sir. My name is Satyam and I am from Jaunpur itself. And so, entrepreneurship is a growing a business and a start. I want to say it's a startup of business,
Yeah.
and business is buying goods and sell the goods. That's all. The main reason was business is how do we get profit. The main reason was that. Yes, sir. Sure. Sir.
Yeah, okay. So coming to the conclusion, do you want to add something? Can you share with us your review with us? Being in touch with this institute, what do you think? What do you want to add?
Sure, sir. This institute is very good, and I am feeling very good after joining this
Yeah.
institute. And Dr. Arvind sir, thank you for giving me this. Your taught in a very different language. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Yeah.